That is a lot faster than doing it any other way that I've found. So what we're doing today is putting the siding up, and you can see that we've gotten some of the siding over there. So we're going to continue working on the siding, get some wood up top so that we can put the metal on, and then continue working on the siding, getting it done. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind, I don't know. But so we switched sides because minor miscalculation of metal and the amount of metal that we need. So we're switching sides to the front just to make some adjustments there and get that done, minus the door, and then work around to the other side, and then the last piece will be doing the back. That way if we have any issues or anything like that, they'll be hidden in the back of the barn. So
any issues?
Well. That is a lot faster than doing it any other way that I've found, and better than your grinder. Yeah, I mean maybe the only other way would be with those electric shears or the nibbler, but look at this one. That's better than that one. I mean it scarred a little bit, but that's going to be covered up anyway, so that'll work.
does this look? This is so exciting. He got this one side done already, and it just makes the world of a difference. It's so exciting. I cannot wait for the whole thing to be done. But I'm just super excited for the one side.